All right, are you ready for me to show you something that you may have never seen before? Because I know I have not ever seen anything like this, and my wife will say, yeah, because it's work. But hear me out. Have you ever seen a squeegee? Yes, you've seen a squeegee, but have you ever seen a vacuum squeegee? Right? The only time I've ever seen a vacuum squeegee is maybe on like a shop vac or something, but no, this is on a telescoping pole for your windows. That's right, it's a telescoping pole vacuum, window vacuum. Now, I am not a window cleaner professional by any stretch of the imagination, but now I am. Because now I can suck the water right off the windows with this, a window vacuum. We're just gonna call it a window vacuum cleaner. But the idea behind the window vacuum cleaner is that help you to eliminate those streaks, right? And that's super important when you're cleaning an RV like this one that's really tall, because you're not gonna be able to get up there with like a paper towel or a microfiber cloth and wipe those windows, and you're gonna just be able to streak it with a squeegee. That's all I've been doing up till now. And trust me, when you're washing a window, especially one that I work out of on the other side, I look out every day, I can't stand it when there's streaks. So I'm like OCD about it. So I went and got something like this to hopefully help me not get so irritated when I do a bad job by trying to squeegee it and I leave streaks on there. So hopefully this is gonna help me to become a better window cleaner. So let's see together how that's going to work. Now, when you get something like this, you get the telescoping pole, you get the vacuum cleaner, really super easy. You're just going to press the button right here to clean it. You got to make sure that this silicone part, sometimes when it comes shipped, the lip comes and tucks under, as was mine. So you just got to make sure that this is separated. Just double check that, right? Press the power button, you're gonna get suction. The bad water is gonna get sucked into there, you're gonna dump that out. You also get this, plus you also get this little brush right here. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be using this. Obviously, it's not gonna be very difficult for me to use this on the tall windows. I usually use a solution that they just spray the windows and wipe off, but I'm gonna give this a shot on a window that I can reach, and we're gonna test this out with this right now, and then I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Again, first time using it, so let's do this together. So while this is my first time using this, it is not my first time cleaning the window. So we'll get this right here, kind of clean the window up. Now, this is a lot less water doing it this way. Usually I use the hose and just squirt it and get a ton of this solution all over the window, and then I squeegee it. So I'm going to do that over on the other side too and see which way works better. All right, now we got the window clean, so let's suck that bad mamma jamma up. All right, here we go. Let's see how good that's going to work. So we're just going to get this application going here really quick. Before it dries, take this. That's working pretty good right there. Yeah, the angle is giving me a better, okay. The one thing I don't like is when it dries really quickly because it leaves streaks. So I love the fact that I can just come over here and while it's still really, really wet, one stroke down is giving me that. Now that's one window, pretty sudsy. Probably should have washed it off, but that's all right. Probably should have rinsed the window after I soaked it. But this is saving me that time, the application, where I don't need to mop it or rinse it. I'd see this being a huge time saver for indoor window applications, and you don't have that huge mess everywhere when you're spraying. Alright. I like it. It's drying my windows a lot faster than I don't need to grab that paper towel or that microfiber cloth and dry my windows. I'm coming back. Obviously, the more I do it, the better I'm getting, because I'm already finding a groove here where I may not have done that. So it's about an angle application. So what I've learned in first time using it, that if you have it at this kind of an angle, it doesn't work as well as maybe like a 45-degree angle and you go straight down. And the other thing is that it gets sudsy quick with the solution I was doing, so maybe just wash the suds off. But I mean, for just a quick application, I can't complain. That looks really good. With just that, you can see how much water it's vacuumed and sucked in. So what I'm thinking, the right principle is, like, now I'm outside, so I really don't care if this water gets in here or not, basically, because I'm outside, right? So I could just use a squeegee and get this done. But what this does is it vacuums up so you don't have those streaks, especially when the sun's hitting it, and it streaks a lot quicker on this. And I can jump on it while it's relatively really wet as well. So I do like, it just saves me that extra step for sure. And I can see this being a huge application for inside windows when you got a large surface area like I do, or on your RVs. You got a lot of windows to cover. This is going to help reduce that time, save you a lot of time, and keep that nasty water from stagnating inside your RV. So I'm gonna say great for inside, time saver for outside. Last thing I'll say, that if you're like me and you can't stand looking outside to streaky windows, then this might help eliminate that time from that elbow grease of getting windows perfect. It's gonna help you to do that. Update, this thing is awesome. I just finished my entire rig, and after some learning curves, I wanna show you what I found. This thing is really awesome, I love it. So after you just apply all the water and soap and rinse it off, you're just going to come over here and you're just going to go slow. So what I was using is just a normal squeegee. So as I go slow, maybe that's a little bit too slow, but I found that as I go slow, right here, it allows the vacuum to get all that streakiness away. Right? Look at that. And if I got really wet areas, I just go a little slower. Which makes sense, because if you go too fast, you're just pushing water. So as I just go like this, I don't have to get the microfiber cloth anymore. And it's pretty much done. The window is done, and it's sucking up all that water. Like I said, this thing is awesome. Look, you can actually see my reflection now. The windows are clean, no streaks. So if you want a no streaky, no muss, no fuss window vacuum, which I never thought I'd ever hear myself say, again, I still think it's going to be perfect for indoors, but I love the ease and the use of it after using it on my RV. And first time, it just made it really simple, and my rig was done in no time with this little thing. I just needed to slow it down and get a good pace, and it works like a dream.